Hi, it's Digital Don AV, and I am here at Aloft with my friend Colby, and we're going to talk about the Mosaic system
Framework, yeah.
framework that they have. So tell me a little bit about Mosaic.
So Mosaic is really a framework built off of MOSA, a military derivative. It's really meant to bring modularity into the cabin. So we pride ourselves on interfacing several vendors in the industry and creating a framework around that. So our industry's really been delayed and fraught with, I can only control the monitor because it's proprietary. I have to stick with this system and things like that. So Mosaic tries to make a bridge around that and come up with common source commands, common source controls.
Really? Like a protocol.
Like a protocol, open source, and it's a collaboration of vendors in the industry that make monitors, make some of the devices you see in the show today, lights.
Which I've interviewed multiple.
Yeah.
So it's kind of like a control system or a protocol that makes everything behave and communicate.
Yeah, we're just setting a framework for everybody as an open source to understand these are the rules to play in. So if you want to turn a monitor on or a light on, this is the command. This is how we want it. And we're not defining a has to. It's a nice to have. So if you want to build a light or a product, we're just setting a framework to let everybody know this is what everybody's kind of agreed to.
Is it just a firmware software or is it a product?
No, it's not. It's just a framework. Right now it's a set of commands, a structure. It lets us everybody know how to build. So if you want to build a product, you can say, I'm going to build a light, for example.
Right.
And this is what I need to have in my light. So I'm going to have these kind of commands. That way any vendor can come and control your light. So it makes you a little bit more useful in the industry instead of having a proprietary.
Which they're trying to do in homes as well.
Homes, it's like the IoT. Think of it as it's like a lot of IoT kind of technology or thought process. You can walk in onto a home and control everything, lights, and it's really, that's what we're striving for. Not really IoT, but that kind of concept.
Very cool. Is that a product that's available now, or
it's so there's several. Some of our vendors are making products that fit that mold. So Spectrum Networks is one of them. Makes lights and outlets. They're a huge supporter of that. Rosen Aviation makes monitors. There are some big supporter of the Mosaic initiative, which is trying to commonize their product line.
Like Matter.
Yeah, like Matter, these are all IoT kind of concepts, but they're all involved in trying to come to a common ground, so we can make a better ecosystem, so.
Very cool.
You can still have proprietary software, proprietary controls.
But like an automation system, and a thermostat or whatever controller still has its own proprietary, you're just overlapping.
Yeah, we're just overlapping. So once again, it's in addition to what you might be creating, so that you can also be controlled by other things and in the industry. So.
Very cool.
Yeah,
that's awesome, guys. This is pretty exciting stuff coming down the pipe here very soon.
Yep. We're a lot of products are releasing right now in the market, and it's a continuation. It's not a one-stop thing. So we're continuing to work with partners and add partners, new partners, and we're trying to just change the future.
It's a bold initiative, man.
It is.
Colby, thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
Appreciate
Thank you.
it. Hey guys, you like this video? Hit like and subscribe, and we'll cover more stuff tomorrow. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Yeah, thanks.